A self-lender loan payoff can take time to appear correctly, because credit reporting updates do not always happen immediately after a loan is completed. If your self-lender payoff is not showing, you'll learn what to check, why the update may be delayed, and the steps to get the issue reviewed. The first thing to check is whether your self-account shows the loan as fully paid. Log into your self-account and confirm that the final payment has been processed and the account status has changed. A completed payment inside the Self app and an updated credit report are separate steps. Self must process the account update before credit bureaus receive the new information. Check your credit reports from the major credit bureaus to see whether the account information has changed. Look for whether the loan still shows an active balance, missed payment status, or an outdated account status. If the payoff is missing or incorrect, contact self-support with your account details, the date your final payment cleared, and screenshots or statements showing the payoff. When contacting support, explain exactly what is wrong. Tell them whether the issue is that the balance is incorrect, the loan still appears open, or the payoff has not appeared on your credit report. Keep copies of your payment confirmation and any messages from Self. These records help if you need to follow up on the account update. If your credit report has not updated after Self confirms the information was sent, you may need to contact the credit bureau showing the incorrect information. Provide documentation that proves the loan was paid according to Self's records. Avoid applying for new credit while an account update issue is unresolved if the incorrect information could affect a lender's decision. Review your credit reports first so you know what information lenders may see. The most common fixes are confirming the payoff with Self, verifying what your credit report currently shows, and submitting documentation when the information does not match. Your next step is to check your Self account status, confirm the payoff date, and contact self-support if the account information has not updated. If this helped you fix a self-lender reporting problem, like the video and subscribe for more credit building guides and credit report fixes.